Alright, y'all. So, hey, we back with another video. Alright, y'all. So, yeah, we back with another video. And I'm looking at this GU trade right here. I don't know how I want to play this. I want to wait for this fair value gap equilibrium to get touched, but it looks like it's reacting off for the 15-minute EMAs, so it looks good. Check out this liquidity just for a quick 30 pips. Check out this liquidity. Boom. I'm cool with that. So, yeah, we in that mug. Yeah, I'm cool with that. I've been breaking even. Monday wasn't moving. Monday had no news, no nothing. So I broke even on a trade. Tuesday, I took 2 trades. GJ, I broke even. I'm gonna do a breakdown. I'm gonna do like a weekly breakdown, but honestly, it just wasn't really like the moves were good, but it wasn't no news that caused anything to move. Today, you can see we got a little some unemployment claims, red folder. That happened at 7:30. Didn't have to really happen. I don't think at 7:30. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Oh, that's when it pushed up into the zone. But hell, I was looking for GJ too. It's like GJ did the same thing. Just, you feel me? I was looking for this. One of the fair value gap fills. But yeah, I'm kind of taking this GU demand. So you see, take out this liquidity, and then maybe it might come back and push into these gaps. I don't know, but yeah, we're just gonna wait and see. Bro, I hope that today's not the same thing as it was on Monday and Tuesday. For GJ, I think it was on Tuesday, bro. I took a sell, and it was like, it took 2 hours, maybe 3, I forgot, until it started to really move. I just took my profit. I mean, I took my little break even because I'm like, okay, it keeps just coming up and down. So I was just like, nah, I'm not even gonna do this. So of course, I seen somebody else that trades, that I kind of like trade like them. They took the exact same trade, and they actually stuck through that. And yeah, they waited through that whole 2-hour consolidation until it moved. And I was sick, but you feel me? I was happy because like somebody that I look up to in the trading industry took the same setup as me. So it's just like, okay, I'm doing something right. What's going on? It's pushing up hard too. I might start putting my MetaTrader account on the main screen so what y'all can see instead of trading view. If this get enough views, let me know if that's something that y'all prefer. I want to start streaming too, but I don't have really nothing going on with this account yet. So yeah, that's something for the future, for sure. All right, I'm gonna close this. All right, so yeah, I closed that trade. Oh my God, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. Hey yo, it's gonna do that dumb shit, isn't it? All right, if I find another setup, then yeah, I'll start the recording back if I find another setup. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna give GU another chance. I'm currently in sales already. Yeah, I'm gonna give it another chance. And one thing I just noticed, 8:30 is in 5 minutes, but I'm gonna give GU another chance. I'm willing to do that. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just step away for a minute. So I'm gonna go make me some food, and if it goes in my favor, it goes in my favor. But instead of me just watching this until 8:30, I'm just gonna walk. I'm just gonna leave for a minute. Okay, good shit. Bro, the 8:30 candles have not been crazy this week. Damn, I left the light on. Bro, I just want the quick moves. the quick moves. That's all I'm looking for. Like, goddamn, I don't like sitting through just, ugh. I'm closed. 2 of my positions right there, right? And then see what the next one do at 30 pips. Shit, if I go and get 40, let me see what 40 look like. I mean, I just need to cook. I just need something, bro. I literally just lost a trade. I didn't make anything else. I broke even. So it's just like, damn. I might have to start waking up at fucking 9 o'clock with no news. With no news, I might have to start waking up at 9 o'clock. Might not even trade tomorrow. Next week we might get better setups. There's some news next week. CPI news. Okay, it took me out. Damn. But I'm gonna get into the breakdown. What I seen, bro, honestly, the previous daily low. Alright, we already took out yesterday's high, right? So we took out yesterday's high, so I'm looking, okay, we could take out previous day low. Alright, so I see it on the hourly time frame right here. This is the order block. The order block got tapped into, rejection, reacted, now it's going back up. So I'm looking on a 30, 50, on the hour, 30, and 15-minute time frame. I'm like, okay, yeah, it's all these gaps. And then it was a 15-minute supply. So I'm like, okay, the gap's gonna get tapped into. But when I entered this trade, this had got tapped into. So this was a 15-minute supply right here. So this 15-minute supply, once it got tapped into, it just started like, it immediately started going down. So like these candles, this candle right here, it was a full bearish candle. So I'm like, okay, this might be the move just to catch 10 pips, take out this liquidity, and then come back up, tap into the fair value gap, and then go for the previous day lows if that's the move. That was my whole thought process. So me entering that second trade so early, I shouldn't have did that. I should have, again, bro. Today, I mean, this week has just really been based off of the damn higher time frame, the hour and the 4 hour, bro. It really has. Like, if you even look at the 4 hour, it's like nothing really going on, but it's trading below the resistance. It's trading below this 1.2 3,000 area. But again, another thing is inside of fair value gap. So it's just like I'm kind of seeing both like ways that it can go. I'm seeing like it can go either way, but I'm looking as of right now for the daily. You feel me? It might close bearish. It might For the daily, it might close bearish because like it took out this right here. Right? This is liquidity. It broke structure. Boom. Alright, so then look at the rejection. Look how it's reacting off the EMAs. But yeah, be on the lookout maybe for a breakdown video. Again, I am trading on a challenge, a funded challenge. I mean, it's not funded yet, but it's the phase 1 or whatever the fuck, I don't know. Yeah, it's one of them accounts. So I'm not really trading. I'm trading on 2 accounts. I'm trading on a live account, and then I'm trading on a challenge account right now. Oh, look at this jump. Okay, GJ. I already got my alert for GJ. Yeah, but me personally, I'm finna get off the charts. I'm finna, honestly, I got class. I got class in like 2 hours, or 3 hours. So I'm finna just kind of reflect once I reflect on my trading today and just kind of call it a day. Honestly, tomorrow I might not even trade, honestly, just because of this loss. I don't really like trading on Fridays anyway, but I don't know. I don't know. I might just come back on Monday, back test Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Boy, I tell you, boy, the market's gonna get you. Yeah, I'm gonna just end it off right here. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. And y'all subscribe, like, whatever, help me out. Give me any tips if y'all got tips. If anybody comment on here, follow me on Instagram at K.AMBER2X. Shit, message, DM me, let me know where you came from. If I get enough views, you feel me? Yeah, y'all here on this journey with me though. But I'm gonna catch y'all.